all you have to do, I'm gonna pre-loosen this. How to remove and install bicycle pedals. It's just gonna be a short video because, well, it's obviously not rocket science, but I do get a lot of questions about people doing it wrong. If you're taught the correct way, it's very easy. So, with that being said, tool-wise, 6 or an 8 Allen key, or a pedal wrench. The reason these are so good is because they have a long handle and gives you enough leverage. Sometimes the pedal is very stuck. Which tool you need to use depends on what kind of pedal you have. This one has an axle. You're going to use the pedal wrench for it because it has no hole for an Allen key and it has space for a wrench, or a spanner for you English guys. This pedal that's going on my bicycle right now, it doesn't have space for a pedal wrench. It only has a hole for an Allen key. So that's why I need those. Pedals are directional. There's a left and the right. The one on the left has left threads. If one of them were to be the other way around, if you pedal forwards, you'd basically be loosening up the pedal. The pedal on the left, to take it off, you turn it clockwise. The pedal on the right, to take it off, you turn it anti-clockwise. The rule of thumb is, if you were to attach your pedal wrench like this, with the handle towards your back wheel, all you have to do is push down. Exactly. Now Vincent knows too. Here's another thing Vincent didn't know before. I taught him yesterday, or the day before. Cheaper generic axles like this, one of them will be smooth. The other, it'll be ribbed for your pleasure. The ribs indicate this is the left pedal. The smoothness indicates it's the right pedal. Before we install the pedals, it's very important to put some grease on the threads. Because if you don't, in a year's time, when you decide to take them off, you might have a very hard time doing so. To put your pedal back on your bicycle, try to line up the threads so you don't cross thread when you turn it in. And then just opposite of what the pedal wrench was, the handle of the Allen key or the pedal wrench, now it's towards your front wheel. Push down and you're threading in your pedal. Tying it down. Give it one good push and your pedal's on. Now that is how you remove and install bicycle pedals. Did I forget anything? Close-up shots. So there you have it. Changing the pedals is a very quick and easy job. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. I'm expecting some comments of people that can't get their pedals off. Don't hesitate to ask me, I'll help you the best I can. Leave me a suggestion with whatever video you want to see next. Tech related. I think I'll have to replace some part of my bike at some time. So with that being said,
BMX trick.
Okay, so if Vincent wants to see a BMX trick, leave me a comment down below, whatever trick you want to see, and I'll see if I can get around to making a video for Vincent. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. It's time to ride bikes now. We're gonna ride bikes.